August 5 around 1 o'clock. The fuse blew. So I have ISELCO here to replace the fuse. Maybe they'll have to look at whether it's something else burned. Well, they're gonna install the new fuse. Hopefully there's nothing is the problem. Oh, there's so many wires. So they're gonna take the old one out and then put the new one in. So they're taking the old one and then putting in the new one. Yeah. Hopefully it'll be okay. There's no other problem. So that took a while to install the new fuse. Okay, it didn't explode. Thank goodness. So the bird is the one that created the problem. Okay.